So while technology and its promises can offer exciting opportunities, what's really going to be more meaningful is if we can unleash them on big problems that are going to make an impact on society. And this requires us to have both the courage and curiosity to challenge all the existing assumptions, the prevailing beliefs, especially if we've been successful in our businesses and our business models over the past years and decades. That's going to be difficult, but it requires us to re-examine back to first principles on how we really add value to customers, especially underserved segments. And that's what I want to share today on my experiences with both heavily regulated and capital-intensive industries, as well as high-tech and technology startups, to challenge conventions and achieve breakthroughs by applying technology to solve these problems.